Hey there, Autodrift fam! Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Inster, a compact electric vehicle designed for urban adventures. With its quirky design and impressive tech, is the Inster the EV to beat in the city car segment? Let's find out! From the outside, the Hyundai Inster is all about compact style. It features a futuristic design with pixel-style LED headlights and taillights, giving it a bold, modern look. With a length of 3.82 meters, width of 1.61 meters, and height of 1.58 meters, it's perfect for navigating tight city streets while still standing out with its unique shape. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the Inster offers two powertrain options. Standard range, a 42 kilowatt-hour battery paired with a 97 PS motor, achieving 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 11.7 seconds with a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. Long range, a 49 kilowatt-hour battery with a more powerful 115 PS motor, cutting the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint to 10.6 seconds and pushing the top speed to 150 kilometers per hour. Both versions deliver enough punch for daily commutes, with responsive acceleration and a smooth, quiet drive, everything you'd expect from a city-focused EV. Step inside, and the Inster greets you with a 10.25-inch digital display that seamlessly integrates with the infotainment system. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation with over-the-air updates. The cabin layout is minimal yet functional, with clever storage solutions and a spacious feel despite the compact dimensions. Moving to the back, the Inster offers seating for four, with surprisingly decent legroom for a small car. Cargo space starts at 280 liters but expands to 1,059 liters with the rear seats folded down, perfect for quick grocery runs or weekend getaways. Hyundai has packed the Inster with advanced safety features, including Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist, Lane Keeping Assist, and blind spot monitoring. There's also a 360-degree camera system to make parking in tight spots a breeze. And let's not forget the vehicle-to-load (V2L) function, allowing you to power small devices using the car's battery, a handy feature for outdoor activities. When it comes to charging, the Inster supports fast charging, taking the battery from 10% to 80% in just 35 minutes. Plus, Hyundai has incorporated sustainable materials throughout the cabin, further reinforcing the brand's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Hyundai Inster isn't just another cute urban EV, it's a smart, well-equipped, and practical electric car that's perfect for city dwellers who want style, tech, and efficiency in one neat package. If you're looking for a compact EV that's big on features and fun to drive, the Inster deserves a spot on your shortlist. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Autodrift community for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.